video. This video is whole based on electricity. तो आज हम करने वाले electricity as an energy. Electricity is a type of energy that can either flow from one area to another, or build up in one place. Humans have invented ways capturing other forms of electricity. Many things in our home, such as lights, are powered by electricity. So electricity is a type of energy. It is a type of energy that can either flow from one place to another, or be captured in one place, or built up in one place. It is a type of energy that can flow from one place to other, or build up in only one place. So humans have built up many things to capture this energy. There are things which are able to capture this energy are. Before that, I want to say you something. So in a hydroelectric power station, the energy of falling water through dams is turned into electrical energy. So the capturing energy of this thing, so electricity energy. Basically, energy is being produced and been stored in different ways. What are those ways? So first way is number one is the hydroelectric power station. Hydroelectric power station. Okay, so hydroelectric power station or dams are used if you have seen a dam, it is like a thing like this. There is a box type of structure. From here the water will fall off, and there will be a huge wheel up here. The water is falling in a great speed, great force. That force, while coming here, will be converted into this by this hydroelectric power station, will be converted into electrical energy. This is a way how the people save energy. In short, in a hydroelectric power station, the energy of falling through a dam is turned into electrical energy. The second is the solar cell. Solar cells are absorbed energy from sunlight and change into electrical energy. So they absorb energy from sun and convert them into electrical energy. Okay, next is the windmill. So the windmills or wind turbines what happens over here is the wind turbines changes the movement of the energy of the wind into electrical. The wind turbines change the movement. Actually, see, if there's a windmill like this, so if this is a fan type of structure having 4 individual planks, so if they move like this, or this, or in the reverse motion, what they will do, as fast they will move, they will create energy in itself, and it will change the wind energy to electrical energy. Electrical energy. Number third one is the thing is called as heat energy is released from burning, such as coal, oil or gas, can be used to make electrical energy. The heat energy. Fourth, the heat energy released from burning fuels such as coal, gas, can be used to make electrical energy. So the heat energy released from the burning fuels such as coals, gas, can be used to make electrical energy. Next we will go to into our homes. Into our homes. So what happens in our homes? What happens in our homes? So after electricity has been by a power station, so electricity, as electricity is coming from these kind of a power stations, what happens after that? It travels to the home along a series underground or overground. So basically what happens is, so what happens in our homes? Well, this electricity when it's produced, what happens, when it's stored, what happens is it comes to our homes by underground or overground. Underground, it is released to our homes. Released to our homes underground or overground. Means the electricity, when it is produced by these means of electricity sources, what happens? It is sent to our homes underground or overground by cables or socket. When by cables, what happens next is by cables. Oh, sorry. By cables. And then what happens? It comes to our plug sockets, and then we use it. So what happens is electricity released to our homes underground. The electricity produced in these means of transportation are these means of consumption sources of energy is released to our homes. Released to our homes by underground or overground, means under the ground. If you see when there is no electricity, you will see some of the electric wires are in ocean, seas, or some are like in the below the roads. You will see find out, and of course overground in the sense you will see wires, cables in like this. This big have consist of this wire. They will consist of something like this wires. This will be some wires will come out from these. So these wires will be overground wires. So these a series of cables and pylons are used to make transport electricity place to place. So these are the series of actually this is a series of cables, a series of cables and pylons are used to transport electricity from place to place. And you know, after that what happens, overground and underground, after these things the cables plug sockets. Next is the static electricity. So the next thing we are going to see is static electricity. So what happens in this static electricity? So the static electricity is sometimes electricity energy builds up in one place. So energy is a thing which comes from place to place, can travel one place to another, but sometimes energy is stored in one place. So what happens in that? This is called the static electricity. The building of electricity in one place building of electricity in one place is called static electricity. So what happens, the building up can happen when things are rubbed together, like balloon and jumper, which can cause them to stick together. When a buildup of electric energy is released, a spark electricity can sometimes be seen or felt. So what happens, what is the case here, when you will see this static electricity, in these cases what happens, it builds up together. It happens when things are rubbed. Things are rubbed, and then like balloon, or you can see jumper, like that kind of things you can see. And what happens there is, when they are rubbed, they will cause a sparkle. You may see sometime a spark, or can feel the spark over there. So what happens in that, like if you rub something, it will build up energy in one place, which causes static electricity, and this electricity can be felt or seen as a spark. So for example, lightning bolt. What is a lightning bolt? A lightning bolt is a giant spark of electricity. When rain cloud rub with each other, they produce the static electricity around them, and the static electricity builds up there. And if the build up gets big enough, the electricity energy leads to the earth as a bolt of lightning. So when these clouds rub with each other, they produce this static electricity, and the electricity is means enough big, the bolt of lightning can be seen in the earth or touch the ground even. So this is what the fact about electricity is. Now about the fact that electricity travels through wires 100 times slower than speed of light. Electricity travels through wires 100 times slower than speed of light. This is what the wow or the fact of this video is. So hope you like the video. Well, meet you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, share and comment. Bye. You can see my whole thing. Bye.